Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today I've got the third generation Google Chromecast. This one retails just for £30 here in the UK. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to check it out, guys. But yeah, this is a Chromecast. This is the third generation, so you can cast your movies, TV shows, and loads of stuff to your TV, and it's just going to make your TV a smart TV, so that's very nice. But this is the box itself. You can see which service you can use. Just very nice. You got loads of services. Things you can do. So this is the normal version, so you can only support up to 1080p HD. Very simple. You just plug it into your TV, give it power, and just go through the setup and you'll be done. As you can see, all together now. Very nice. And on the side it just shows what you can do and stuff like that. But yeah, let's open it up and get to it. So let's see if I can peel this plastic off. Let's pull it out of the packaging. You've got the device itself here. So as I said, so it comes in two different colors. You've got this little charcoal version, and then you've got a white version as well. It's nice. Let's put this inside and see what else you get inside the box. You've got a power brick, and a naming, no Google sign, and you've got a micro USB for power as well. So it is power when you connect it to the TV. You can use, if your TV has a USB port, you can use that. If not, if you want to use your power brick included. And what else do we have? We've got some star guides and stuff like that. So let's have a look at that. So let's get started, just showing what you need to do. Very simple, just plug it in and connect it. Nothing else. You've got a Be Safe warranty as well. Nothing else there. But yeah, let's put that to the side for now, and let's look at the device. So as you can see, it's got this nice matte finish, just a tiny logo there. It doesn't have the magnet like the previous version does, which is a bit sad. It'd be nice because the previous version would just stick on like that. But yeah, as you can see, it's very short. It just goes to your HDMI port behind your TV and it will just work. At the bottom you've got your micro USB, you've got on button, you've got LED light indicating so you know if it's on or off. But yeah guys, let me connect this to the TV and go through the setup with you guys. Okay guys, I've set up the Chromecast now to the TV. So this is what's showing on the TV now, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is get my phone, open the Google Home app. I'm going to click on Add Device. I'm going to click Setup Device, Set up New Device, and I'm going to pick the Homes because it's in the Home. So now we're going to be looking for the device. It's going to do a quick search. Hopefully it should find it. And it's done that. So you don't have to use your phone. You can use your web browser, any other devices as you're showing on the TV. Just go into the link and you can do that. But I'm going to use my phone, so I'm going to say it's found that. Now I'm going to be connecting to the Chromecast. So we're just going to wait for that to connect. It shouldn't take that long. And it's now checking me if it's the same code, which is yes. I'm going to hit yes. Yeah, just improve service. It's in the office. Now I have to choose the Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to choose my Wi-Fi. I'm going to wait for this to connect. Is now connected, so that shows good. Let's see if it needs to update anything like that. And no, it does not need updates. So we're going to link a Chromecast to my account. Okay, now it's linked, so it's asking me if I want to add some other service. So now I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to hit next. I'm going to hit no thanks to that, and it's all finished now. It's now being called Office TV, and it looks like it needs to update. So guys, let's just wait for this update to finish, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So as you can see guys, it's now ready. It's saying Office TV is ready, so I'm going to hit continue and it's just show me what I can do. So that's very nice. I'm just going to skip that and finish off. And if I now go back, it's now showing us the Chromecast, which we're going to change the name. So if you go to the settings, it is saved as Office TV, so let's do that again. Let's try and refresh. Okay, now it's done, so it comes as Office TV, so I can ask Google now to do some stuff on the TV, so I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to try first is open up the YouTube app on Office TV.
Sure, playing recommended YouTube videos on Office TV.
So as you can see guys, now it's just playing some videos from my previous watch list or something that's recommended for me, so that's very nice. I can do another thing is like play some music on the Office TV.
Alright, music from Google Play Music. Playing on Office TV.
So you can see guys, that works very nice as well. Okay guys, another great feature is that you can use your Chrome browser from your Mac or your Windows, and you can just cast your browser to the TV. So what you want to do is click on the icon here, those three dots, and then you want to find the cast icon or the cast symbol, and it's now showing me that the Office TV is here and it's playing some music. So what I can do is I can now click on that. Let's just stop the music, and now I'm gonna cast my browser. As you can see now, my browser is open on the TV, and I can just close, and now I can just do anything. So I can go into YouTube, I can go to different website, which is really nice. So if you just want to use your browser on your TV, it's a very nice way. Watching movies and videos, you can just stream here. If you want to use some other services that's not available on the Chromecast, you can just use your browser. That's very nice. But yeah guys, you can just do so many features using the Chromecast. You can cast, you can just play music, use your browser, use your laptop. So yeah guys, as you can see, there's so many things you can do using your Google Chromecast. From casting your browser to listen to music, watching YouTube, playing games. It's just so nice. It's just loads of features. But yeah guys, so yeah guys, I do hope you like it. I do really love it, and I already have 2 of them. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.